Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to automatically clear RAM cache memory in Windows 11. To begin, go to the link we leave you in the video description. There, download the utility. When the download is complete, go to the Downloads library. Select the compressed file and click Extract All. You can choose where it will be extracted and click Extract. Open the folder. After this, right-click on Start and open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, go to the Performance section and click on the Memory option. You are going to go back to the folder where the application is and double-click on the executable. Click Yes to authorize. You will accept the license and then the utility will be loaded. In this utility, you find all the processes associated with RAM memory. To check its usage, in the Task Manager you can see the current RAM cache in the cached line. In the utility, click on the Empty menu and then click on Empty Standby List. You can see how the RAM cache drops significantly. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.